Hey tech friends, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be talking about the amazing world of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the study and application of materials, devices, and systems at the atomic and molecular scale. This tech is a rapidly growing field and with the potential to revolutionize many industries as we know them today. But first, let's give a little bit of an understanding of what nanotechnology is. Nanotechnology is the manipulation of matter at the atomic and molecular scale, meaning that scientists and engineers can create materials and devices with properties that simply are not possible at a larger scale. And to give you an example, they can create materials that are stronger, lighter, and even more conductive than anything that exists naturally today. In the last 5 years, some of the notable new advancements include the development of new materials such as graphene and quantum dots, the development of new methods for manufacturing nanomaterials such as 3D printing, and the development of new applications for nanotechnology such as in medicine, energy, and even electronics. Nanotechnology has a positive impact in multiple industries. In medicine, nanotech can be used to develop new drugs, medical devices, and diagnostics. Nanoparticles can be used to deliver drugs directly to targeted cells, and they can be used to image tumors and other diseases. When it comes to energy, nanotech can develop new energy materials and devices like solar cells and more efficient batteries. So solar cells can now store more energy and more efficiently. And even in electronics, new devices like transistors and sensors that can be created that are smaller and more powerful than anything that we've ever had before. Manufacturing even utilizes nanotechnology for more efficient and environmentally friendly and even coats surfaces to make them more resistant to corrosion and wear over time. Agriculture is seeing positives from nanotech as well, with nanoparticles being used to deliver nutrients directly to a plant's roots, and it kills pests without harming the beneficial insects at the same time. There's also been several breakthroughs and new technologies that have stemmed from our ability to harness nanotechnology. Nanomedicine has the potential to revolutionize the way that we treat diseases. Nanoelectronics that are stronger, smaller, and faster than ever before. Nanosensors that can detect and measure things at a nanoscale, which has a multitude of applications, from environmental monitoring, medical diagnostics, and even food safety. And finally, nanomaterials, which are materials that have been engineered at the nanoscale, which have implications in a variety of applications. That's really only the beginning of where this breakthrough technology is poised to change the way that we live our lives, especially when you start thinking about the implications in healthcare industry, as we might have unlocked the keys to longer human life by more efficiently treating diseases that once seemed impossible to properly diagnose and even treat. In the end, nanotechnology is a rapidly growing and fascinating field that will revolutionize not only what our capabilities are, but it opens up Pandora's box for even more technologies that will become our new normality. That's going to do it for today in our episode of Nanotechnology. What's something you'd like to see developed from nanotechnology? Let me know down in the comments section down below. And if you like this episode, drop us a like. Send this episode to a friend so that they subscribe like you did. You did subscribe, right? If not, it's okay, I'll wait. And of course, I do want to thank our sponsors, Kincannon XR. The future is XR, and if you're working in the XR world, or if you're looking to step into the future with XR, Kincannon XR is here to help bring your XR dreams into a reality. Regardless if you're developing your own XR application, or if you're just looking for a helping hand to take an idea to the next level, Kincannon is here to help. You can reach out to Kincannon XR by emailing them at inquiry@kincannonxr.com. You can also find our podcast on social media as well at ETIB Podcast. And of course, if you like this episode, like and subscribe and check out another one of these emerging technologies and business videos that's going to pop up on the screen for you here on YouTube. That's going to do it for today. I've been your host, Brock Riney, and we're going to talk some more emerging tech next time. Bye, everybody.